Not long ago, Josh Bersin and his organization published a white paper, a research report, that talked about the continuous learning model. And the continuous learning model shows that learning is no longer event-based. It's no longer just point in time. But effective learning requires a continuum of activities to sustain and reinforce the learning events. And this is not a new concept. Hermann Ebbinghaus, a German psychologist back in the 19th century, showed that 1 hour after learning something without context, you start, 50% of that is lost, it's forgotten. So this idea of leveraging technology to bring great content to the user and to constantly reinforce it through short videos, through just-in-time reference, through topics in courses, through simulations, through many other modalities, is the best way to ensure knowledge transfer and learning that sticks. We're living in a time when everyone is time challenged, and we're all used to time slicing. You know, our smartphones enable us to dip in and dip out of information we need to do our jobs throughout the day. And this type of behavior, this just in time, just enough, just what I need on whatever device I have, is the type of behavior that is driving new forms of learning. So we're responding as a company with a variety of modalities. We started with Books 24/7 years ago by enabling people not just to access a full 400-page book, but to use the search technology to pinpoint the few paragraphs that are most relevant. And in the same way we've done that with books, we're doing that with video, with courses, with simulations, with all of our assets. It's all about helping the user get as efficient as possible in pinpointing the learning nuggets that they need to do their jobs. And the user will provide additional context around those nuggets. You know, they're looking for 3 or 4 minutes because that's all they have. Maybe they're on the subway on their way to the office, or maybe they're in a lobby waiting for a client meeting, and they just have a few minutes, but they have an opportunity right then and there to take advantage of a learning event that can help them in a particular situation.